So we thank Telangana state for giving this award to us. We are privileged to have this opportunity to work on sustainability. We are a company found in 2014, BlueDrop Enviro Limited. We work on sustainable sewage and effluent treatment systems, which are low carbon, low energy, low maintenance. Today, sewage and effluent is playing a major havoc on the environment, and the system that we have been building, although they are doing their job, but they become very expensive and also very difficult to maintain. In this context, when a country cannot afford complex systems where they're expensive and you can't even run them for a long time, naturally the water is finding its ways into water bodies, nalas, and polluting all our surface waters. So BlueDrop Enviro is working hard, bringing nature-based solutions that can treat the water in an economical and nature-friendly way, providing opportunity for all of the residents or industrialists or municipal corporation to afford such systems and make it a place where we can easily treat the water and provide opportunity for carbon sequestration, which contributes to climate change. So our team has been actively involved with nala rejuvenation and water body rejuvenation apart from sewage and treatment, effluent treatment plants. We take this opportunity to thank everybody who has been supporting us and the people who has given us this award in evaluating. Thank you very much. My name is Ganes Reddy. I am the CEO and MD of BlueDrop Enviro Limited.
Like చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. For more information, subscribe and stay tuned to ITTV.